Good morning, good morning, good morning. Everybody's doing well. Let people in here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. All right, let me do something here. All right. Perfect. We're just going to wait for some people to get on. Good morning, Bryce. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Facebook. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to keep this short. Again, we're going to keep this simple. If you've been watching kind of the charts over the last I would say the last 15 minutes, we were really kind of, waiting for this to really react off of this 200, to be honest. Obviously, we shot above. People would have said, hey, we're going to start taking some buys. And then obviously we got our three candle confirmation to the downside, which tells us that we're going to obviously continue to look for sells here. And that's what we're going to do this morning is we're going to look for sells. So again, making that determination, we just need to figure out exactly kind of where we're going to retrace to, and then kind of obviously where we're going to get in at. This would have been a great setup right here. Obviously, we retested this area right here. Literally, we retested this bank zone. Look at this here. Literally, this 33,650, literally tested it and bounced off. We did a great setup. But obviously, we weren't on the session at that time. But again, we're gonna find something to kind of get in and get out. We're obviously pulling back right now, so we're gonna definitely be looking here very, very quickly here. And again, all we're simply doing is setting up bank zones. That's it. Just keeping shit very simple, guys. We don't have to be precise. We know that it's a 50 increment. All right, cool. Here we go. All right, perfect. So I'll be honest with you, I'm going to kind of see, this might be a little bit of a stretch, but we're kind of running right now. I kind of like this zone right here. I kind of like this zone that I just marked up. We got 55 seconds left of this candle. We got 55 seconds left of this candle. 55 seconds left on this candle. All right, here we go. So I'm looking at this 33,575. If we pull all the way up to that, she'd be crazy. But if she does, we're gonna get in. Okay, and so I'm gonna kind of mark this up. I really like this area. Look, we respected it here. We respected it here. We respected it here. We respected it here. We kind of traded on top of it, consolidated here, jumped up, shot back down, broke through it. Now we're retesting. Now we're retesting. Oh, look at that. Look at that big drop. Gosh, we would have been in and out. We would have been in and out. So this is kind of where I'm looking at, guys. This is kind of where I'm looking at here. Gosh, this last candle. Look at that open of that last candle. The open of this 5-minute candle, she just fell down. But again, I think we're going to consolidate here. Obviously, she's respecting this 500. If we can get a rejection in this area here, she comes back up, pulls back up. This is kind of the area that we're looking at. Man, that would have been nice. We would have already been done. We would have already been done with this session if we would have caught that. But again, we weren't ready. I wasn't ready. I kind of like this area here. She didn't pull quite up to this 33.675 area. So again, I didn't take advantage of that. But again, if we would have been done already. So again, we're gonna wait and see. All right, here we go. We also want to just be cautious of this big wick here, because obviously the buyers have come in. So we obviously just want to be cautious of obviously these wicks. Okay, she's obviously respecting this 33,500. She's respecting this 33,500. We have a huge wick right here. So again, if we can even push up above this, okay, I would say, let me move this up a little bit. I'm going to be a little bit patient. Okay, here we go. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. Let's see where we're at. I got 5 trades open. She obviously pulled. She pulled hard. Obviously because of those buyers, because of those wicks there. We're okay though. I'm going to pull up my biggest pullback right now. And I'm going to just sit on that and wait for it to drop. Okay, I'm going to sit on that and wait for it to drop into profit, because once that one's in profit, I know everything else is in profit. Okay, so again, we're just waiting for a big drop. We're waiting for a big drop. We're waiting for her to drop. Okay, I got 5 trades open. Okay, she could retest off of this area as well. Again, we're in a pullback right now. Trust your trade. Trust your trade situation here. Okay. Where will you get out, Gabe? Well, to be honest with you, I will get out probably at the top of this wick here. These wicks here. This is kind of where I'm at. I'm not looking at that though. She's about to drop her face right now. She's about to drop it like it's hot. Honestly. We're just gonna be patient. We got 49 seconds left on this candle. And again, this is US30. US30 can move in many different directions, guys. So again, I took a sell around here. Obviously, she pulled up on this candle. So I'm just trusting my trade. I'm waiting for a drop. So what I would recommend is I would recommend taking the sell once she drops back down into this level here that I have marked up. Because right now we're on a pullback. I'd hate for you to get in that pullback and take a sell now, because again, I may be potentially getting out here in a second. Again, I'm going to trust your trade situation right now. Let's go. Big drop US30. Big drop US30. I will potentially be getting out here in a second, guys. If I don't see this thing turn around, I will be getting out of these trades. Trust your trade. We got 350 left on this candle. She pulled up about 40 points on me. We're okay. We're about to get a big drop right now. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. I could potentially get out of these trades right now. I'm holding, trusting my trade right now. Let's go. Big drop US30, big drop. I'm actually going to give this some help here. I'm actually going to take a sell here in a second. You don't have to do this. It's a little bit risky. Okay, just opened a position. I just opened 2 positions. I will be closing these in profit as she drops. Let's go. Big drop US30, big drop US30. Let's go. I did not think that we would retest back there, but again, it makes complete sense. It makes complete sense that she did that. About to close in profit on those trades that I just opened. Let's go. Big drop. Here we go. We retested. We're about to drop. We got a minute left on this candle. Let's go. Big drop US30. Big drop. Let's go. Stop playing games. Let's go. Big drop. Give us a big drop. There we go. Let's go. Big drop. Let me close in profit. Man, big profit on those 2 trades. Amazing. We're going to continue to drop here. Perfect. 2-0. 2-0 so far. All right, here we go. We got 5 trades open. We're waiting for a drop. Like I said, until she gets into this area, I would not take a sell. Until she gets into this area, I would not take a sell. Let's go. Let's go. Trust your trade. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. Continue. Let's go. Get down there. Let's go. Closing trades. Closing trades. Let's go. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm saying. We took a total of 7 trades. Profit $8,069, guys. Let's go. Trust your trade. Trust your trade. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Big ass wick. Let's go. Let's go. Man. Amazing, amazing, guys. 12 minutes into this session, we are done. 7 trades, we are out. She's going to either go one, she's going to do one of 2 things, guys. She's either going to go up or she's going to go down. We simply just need to figure out exactly what she's going to retrace to. As you can see here, she retraced all the way. She corrected all of this. That's all that she did. That's all that she did is she corrected this. And this was so strong that she fell. She hit it and she fell. And now what is she going to do? She can consolidate in between here. And she's either going to break through this or she's going to break through here. Okay? So again, if you play breaks, she's either going to break this or she's going to break this. One or 2 things can happen, guys. I'm telling you, like, you just need to know where she's at. She's going to consolidate now. She's going to consolidate. She bagged us, right? I didn't even have any, I had no stop losses. I had nothing set up. She just ran to the downside. And man, I took some pretty big trades and just closed out. Man, amazing. That was awesome. Great job. You know, a good job for you guys hanging in there. Good job for you guys obviously trusting what we analyzed, what we looked at. We didn't really analyze. We literally just made a decision and we literally just looked at what could she do. She retested back to this area. Okay, until she breaks this wick over here, she's not going to the upside. Until she breaks this wick, she's not going to go to the upside. She's wicking. Look at this. She's wicking into this and she's going to continue to fall. Okay, but there are strong buyers. If you can't look at, give me 1 second, guys. Okay, if you can't read these wicks and understand that these wicks are buyers. These wicks are buyers. Like, there are buyers, but there's not enough of them to take her to the top side. There's not enough. There's not enough buyer momentum to drive us above. She's pushing, but we didn't see that. Okay, this would have been the entry right here. This would have been the entry, but we got in here. Look at that. We fell, we bagged, and we were out. Okay, so again, we trusted our trade. We trusted our trade, and again, guys, we went 7-0 this morning. 7-0. Look at this chat. 3-0, 744 in profit, $5,000 in profit. Man, amazing. Just amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, so again, this session's over, guys. Like, honestly, like 15 minutes into this, we are done. We don't play around here. We're again, this is my trading session. Okay, I trade at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. And again, if she would have taken an hour to move, then we would have. It sounds like there was some news at 7:30. There's some news. Let's look at that right now. Let's look at that right now. Okay. Let's look at that right now. Let's look at that right now. Okay. Let's look at this here. We share. Okay, let's look at the news together here. Okay, so obviously 8:30 my time. Okay, non-farm. Okay, we had some Canada news. We have some crude oil at 10:30. At 3 p.m. we have some consumer credit. But nothing really like, we didn't have any red folders that were like really, you know, kind of putting us on notice or you know, anything to really be scared. You know, obviously these were worse than forecasted, which that's possibly where we got that drop. But again, it's hard to say. Like, we didn't really have any specific news that was you know, really kind of out there. Like, again, these red boxes here is kind of really what we want to see, what's important. Obviously, I think maybe we saw a drop just due to the fact that obviously we had some forecasts here that were met, and then obviously we were below those forecasts, so we were in the red. So again, we could have, you know, possibly seen that as a result of that goes, but but no, it's always good to definitely look at news and to definitely, you know, pay attention to news as far as what's going on with the news. If you look at what she's doing now, what I would be interested to see is over the next minute, she break and close above. Does she break and close above this and then retest off of there to the way up? Okay, because again, like I said, awesome, good job. So again, like I said, what we want to look for is we want to look for 3 confirmation candles to the upside. So if you're on the 5 minute, you want to look for three confirmation candles to the upside above this 200. That's really kind of what I look for as well. And that's why obviously I was looking at this sell. We had this one here, this one here, this one here. We were probably a little bit premature, but again, I saw this level here. Okay, I saw her respecting this level. I said, hey, we could potentially, she then came up here, she then fell back down, then she shot up on us here, okay? She shot up on us here, she respected this level, then she fell all the way down here. This is where we got the bag. Okay, we got the bag on this last candle. So in the next 32 seconds, is she going to break above this wick? Or is she going to obviously continue to fall and respect this zone? If she respects this zone, I would definitely take a sell on this entry. I'm done for the day. You can do what you'd like, but again, these sellers have come in pretty heavily, and again, I think that they're going to obviously, you know, overtake these buyers. But again, I don't, you know, that's kind of my 2 cents, you would say, kind of my opinion. You know, obviously, the economy is where it is. You know, we trade US30, which has to do with you know, stock market. You know, as far as you know, some of the top US companies, tech companies. So again, like, are we out of a, you know, we're still looking at a recession. You know, so again, like, you know, anytime that we can obviously potentially find a short in this market, that's what we're looking. Are we going to have some rallies? Absolutely. Are we going to have some pullbacks? Absolutely. But again, if we can find a nice entry point on a pullback and take a short, we can do that. And again, when I first got on the session, I said, gosh, this right here would have been an amazing setup. And then she retested back there on us during the session. Again, we trusted our trade and she fell. All right. So let's look at the chat here. Overall, get in and get out. That's it. I don't hold any trades, guys. Like, I hold nothing. Honestly, I'm probably not in a trade longer than anywhere from 2 to maybe 7 minutes at that. If I get in at maybe the middle of a candle, I'll maybe hold it till the end of the next candle. But again, anywhere from 2 to 7 minutes is really my time frame of me holding on to a trade. Obviously, if you look at where I got in, okay, I got in on this candle here. I got in the middle of this candle here. She pushed up, and then literally on this third candle here, she fell. So I was actually in this trade here for probably about, I think we got in at the end of this candle. And then she ran literally within the last, I believe, 2 minutes, she ran. And so then she pushed up on this next candle, and then she fell. Then she pushed up again, wicked, and then she literally just fell. So, and again, I wasn't in it for this whole candle, or I would have lost my trade. Okay, so again, I literally probably was in this trade about 7 minutes total. Great job. But it was definitely a trust your trade situation. Again, my initial point was to get out here. Then I said, you know what? I have this wick up here. If she breaks and closes above, and she breaks and closes above this wick, then again, I know definitely she's moving in that upper direction. She didn't do that. There was something in my gut that was saying, hey, trust your trade, trust your trade, trust your trade. And that's what I did. And we were 7-0 on this session, and she literally just dropped. Like, she literally dropped in about, it was 30 seconds she dropped, and we all got a bag. Well, cool, guys. Thank you guys so much. Again, I don't want to obviously take any more of your guys' time. We had an amazing session. Again, you can see what she's doing here. She's respecting that 33,650 area. She's respecting that 33,650 area. And, again, I think the sellers will definitely kind of take over. And I think that we'll see this thing consolidate in between here for a little bit. But I think that overall, I think that we'll break this zone here. And then we'll come down and we'll break this here, and we'll continue to fall. That's kind of just kind of what I see. But again, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for obviously tuning in. Thanks for the support. This will definitely be on YouTube very shortly. I just need to make some tweaks. But other than that, thank you guys. Amazing session. And we will see you tomorrow for the last session of the week. Have an amazing day. See you guys at the top, because the bottom's too crowded. We don't look down on anyone unless we're going to reach down and we're going to lift them up. And again, believing that you can is more profitable than believing that you can't. Make today great. Be amazing. And again, see you guys at the top. Take care.